Hi, this is part 2 to the first half of the video, and just to continue, like I said, they wanted to call him a coon. But, like I was talking about with the economic value, the environment and the stage, and the stand-up was the bank, the crowd was the banker, and he was making a deposit, and it was a successful transaction. End of story. But, to move on and talk more about the sophistication of black comedians, like Leslie Jones, is another prime example of the double veil. People thought she was just acting like a fool. She wasn't just acting like a fool. Yeah, sure, it was funny, it was hilarious, but the message that she was conveying about black beauty, the more people start thinking about it, more people started to not like it. They started to get afraid of it. Started to be incredibly intimidated by the sheer fact that we have an image problem in the community. We have an image problem all over contemporary America since the 90s. Actually, I wouldn't even say since the 90s. It's always been a problem. There's always been an issue with beauty, ever since the concept of beauty was even mentioned. I remember I was reading a book from one of Marissa's classes called Cain, and it talks about this guy. He's a light-skinned man in the South being a teacher, and there's this quote. How did it go? What is beauty if ugly doesn't already hurt you?
What is beauty but ugliness if it hurts you?
What is beauty but ugliness if it hurts you? Damn, that's deep. But, and it just made me think, like, wow, that's kind of messed up. We have to always live up to some type of standard all the time, no matter what. And she was just making a huge critique on the image problem in the black community in, like I said, contemporary America and America as long as it's been around for 200 some years. And I think people overlook that when they see black comedians. They don't pay attention to sophistication. They only pay attention to if it's authentically black or if it makes sense to black people. That shouldn't always be the case. But unfortunately it is, and that's the issue that people seem not to understand. But that's pretty much what I wanted to talk about, and hopefully we can talk more about this pretty soon, and I look forward to a video response from you, and I'll see you on Monday.